This question belongs to algorithm subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 Set 3. So the question states, consider the pseudocode given below. The function do something takes an argument as argument are pointed to the root of a arbitrary tree represented by leftmost child, right sibling representation. So this is a standard representation. Each node of tree is of type tree node. So we have struct node start tree pointer. We have this structure defined. Okay, now let us see this code. First, let us see the options. When the pointer to the root of tree is passed as argument to do something, the value returned by function corresponds to number of internal nodes in the tree, height of tree, number of nodes in the tree without a right sibling, number of leaf nodes in the tree. See, what is it doing? It is in do something tree pointer tree. So first it takes root. So what it does, int value equals to 0. It initializes value to 0. If tree is not equal to null, yes, root is not equal to null, it will come. If tree leftmost child is null, let us suppose leftmost child is not null, and it is something like this. Leftmost child is null? No, it is not null. So what it will do? It will call on the leftmost child. Now, its left child is null? No, so it will call on this. Now its left child is null. So this condition will evaluate and we will do value equals to 1. Now what it will do? From here. Now again it will come to this part, value equals to value plus do something right subtree. From here it will call this subtree. Okay, for this also left is null, so it will return value equals to 1 and we will add this 1 to over here. So what it is doing actually is, see, what is the meaning of being left child to be null? So if a node has left child to be null, then the standard representation is that its right child will also be null. There can't be a node which just has right child. It will be considered as left child only. Even if a node is like this, it will be considered as left child only. So if left child is null, which means it is a leaf node. And in that case, we are initializing value to 1. And here we are adding value from left one, we are getting this value and we are again calling this for the right one. Which means we are counting the number of leaves on the left side and then we are adding to the number of leaves on the right side. So it is actually counting number of leaf nodes in the tree. Because if left child is null, then it is a leaf node only. And thus it is counting number of leaves in the tree. So option D is correct.